So, I have an assignment for only to do. I want you to create a family tree. And if you're a jacket or you don't know your father, just leave it blank, please. Don't put word boss as your father like you did last year. Michael?
Sir, do we have to do this assignment? I don't want to do it, sir.
Yes, Susie. This assignment is worth 30% of your grade. Come on now, this is a very easy assignment. All you have to do is name your family members, show pictures, and that's it. It's not that hard. I mean, only most can do it.
He makes it sound so easy, but it's not. My family's big as hell.
Get over exaggerate, man. Everybody family big.
My dad has 8 kids that I know of. And then I have to put their parents because we're all half siblings. Well, except for my sister. I mean, only me and Antavia have the same parents. Everybody else is half. Then there's Diana's side of the family. I have to put that too. And I have to put Sean on my tree. That's awkward.
Yo, me still stuck on the fox to your father, a feed pitney with a bag of different even mother. Oh, you are virgin.
Susie, you alright? We're dealing with. Why you out here? What up on your mind?
Why don't I want to talk about my father?
Susie, please, not this again.
Grandpa, don't I have a right to know about my father?
Susie, we talked here about this already, certain things. Nothing will be discussed. I'm gonna want to sit your grandmother, alright? Just find something else to think about.
When I something, but just know it.
It's a reason why we don't discuss your father. We had a bit older, we'll tell you, but please, I don't want to talk about your father. Your grandmother, I'll make ox to you. I know your favorite. I'll make sure sneak in a couple piece of meat for you, alright? When you're ready, come for dinner.
Remember when we first danced to this song, My Love?
You had 2 left feet.
Oh god, they're doing that thing again, aren't they? Why can't they hate each other like every other parent on this block? Mom, you're supposed to be helping me with...
Oh baby, I forgot. You're dead. Hold on, I'll help you with your makeup right now.
Well, Mom, hurry up. Damani's waiting on me.
Damani? He's a Jamaican, isn't he?
Well, yeah. All for the culture. I can tell by your facial expression, you're not impressed about this date. Are you, Dad? Dad, she's boy crazy. Get over it. You have to.
No. I don't want her to date anyone.
Dad, if you want me to spy on her, just say that. It's gonna cost extra this time. Plus, I need new headphones to listen to my music.
Haven't I already bought you headphones? I have to buy you another pair?
You're the one that wants to spy on your daughter. My work isn't free.
Alright, I'll pay you extra this time, okay? And I'll buy you a new headphone.
Hey Susie, can I play with you? I've been practicing. Maybe I'm gonna join the team. What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you pushing me? I don't get you. Like, why do you hate me so much? I didn't even do you anything. I just asked you if you.
Sick and tired of you always stalking me. You're everywhere I go, you're there. Like, don't you think I'm annoyed of you? Do you think I want to put my trust in you? In you? Why should I trust you?
I'm not gonna hurt you, Susie. I just want to be here for you. Hey, Daddy.
Honey, go off this chick by you. How's everything? How's my beautiful granddaughters?
Angel gone on a date, and Heaven is here, as usual, listening to our devil music.
Well, your brother is here drinking and dancing a storm. Always drinking and dancing. Oh boy.
Well, you are the cause of him drinking all the.
What you thought? What you mean me are the cause of him drinking? What the hell him drinking have to do with me? What the hell go on? What you try to say on?
Well, you and Octave are the reason why him and Diana left. Why you think he's so depressed, Daddy?
What you talking about? Him and Diana move on.
And you really believe that the reason why him and Diana left is because you and Octavia just had to ruin it for them? Let's be real. Diana and Junior love is way more real than Funo one. Like, come on, Daddy. I know it's so no way, but have I ever been a one to tell a lie?
They are step siblings, no? Don't you think it'd be kind of weird if them date each other, Annie? Isn't that kind of bizarre?
Yeah, that's really bizarre. Like you with your 8 kids, your pa got different baby mothers, and the fact that you thought Diana was your child at first. I mean, if we're really gonna be playing this kind of saintish thing, let's be real, Daddy. You have no right for judge Diana and Junior for being in love.
We'll talk to you later, honey.
I know Sean's not fond of him, but I really like Oliver. I think he's a good influence for Susie. What do you think? He's such a sweet boy, and I think he really likes her. Don't be overprotective now, Rick.
She was asking about Richard today, and honestly sharing, I don't know what to say anymore. I think we should tell her the truth. It's better that way. If we really tell her what happened to our father.
But she might hate we if we tell her, Rick. If we be real with her, I don't think she's gonna look at us the same anymore. That's why I find it hard to tell her the truth. I don't want her to see we, in a one bad light. But we never had a choice. Maybe I'll think it over.
Yes, Dad, I'm here. They're just sitting down talking. No, they haven't. No, Dad. Dad, they're just talking.
What is he doing exactly? What is he doing? Is he trying to touch her? Please tell me he's not trying to touch her. I don't trust that boy. I mean, they're right.
Dad, if you come here, it's going to ruin the plan. Stay where you are. I think you're being very overdramatic. They're just talking. Do you really think they're going to do something in a restaurant, Dad? I'm getting bored of this already. Can you just give me my money? You can send it to me now, please.
Well, haven't we had a deal? You're supposed to watch your sister. You can't leave now. What if something happens? What if something happens to her?
Dad, you're weird.
She kidnaps her or bring her somewhere, and we can't find her, huh? What if she goes missing? Why isn't Way taking this serious like I am?
Come home now, heaven. Me say, God give on a man girl pitney for a reason. Remember where you used to stay?
Alright, on future call center workers, please make Oliver finish his presentation. Stop on the talking.
Okay, I didn't want to do my full family tree, just half of it. So this is my family. On the top is my grandparents. Both my paternal grandparents migrated to Canada.
You when a business phone on that top with your sister in the man. Or I'm so sexy.
Oh yes, my sisters. I have 6 sisters. Annie's the oldest, and then there's Antonisha, Jade, and my mom's daughters, Diana, Olivia, and my younger sister. Her name's Antavia.
The real question is, how much of them live in Jamaica? And which one want my number?
Well, Tony, they're older than you, so I doubt it.
You're just nothing but a number. Make one of them come talk to me now.
Alright, that's enough. Oliver, you can finish now. Just remember say, Oliver are doing presentation. We never ask for you. Anyways, Susie, it's your turn. Please come give your presentation.
Well, as I can see, I don't have a presentation board like Oliver. Because I don't know who or where or anything about my father. Because I didn't want to do this stupid assignment. I don't see why we have to do an assignment about our family. Why do we need to add pictures? Some of us don't know our father. Some of us don't even have a father. Some of us don't even have a mother.
Get out of my classroom. Understand why you make things so difficult. I asked you to do one assignment. One person can't do assignment because one of you keeps interrupting. I notice disrespectful act. I don't know what to do anymore. We don't know.
They called your grandparents, huh?
Of course they did, because Sir said I was being interruptive and disrespectful to him. Like, I don't even understand why we have to do that stupid project. Then basically I fasten our business. I don't see the point of that project.
Well, everybody thinks it's pretty cool how you stood up to him.
Yeah, I guess so. But why are you out here for? Don't you have class?
I was worried about you, that's why I came to check on you. But I have art class. But we're having a new teacher, so yeah. So were your grandparents mad?
Grandpa was kinda disappointed. My grandma didn't have much to say, but I don't really get in trouble a lot, so I don't think it was really a big deal for either of them.
If it was me, Diana would have killed me.
Well, I have my grandfather wrapped around my finger, so I don't think it's gonna be a big deal.
Yeah, you have me wrapped around your finger, eh? Do you know that the principal suspend you for a week?
Shit, a week? But I didn't even. Why a week?
Susie, I would stop talking if I were you.
Can't believe it. A week. Not even none of my son them has been suspended for a week.
I think you should just kind of ease off a little bit. They're really pissed off.
A week? I'm just so surprised by Susie. I can't believe it. How could you be so disrespectful?
Can't believe Susie get suspended for a week. Susie ain't a bad girl, you know. Susie a nerd.
Well, she's kind of sensitive about her dad.
What? I wish me never know my father. My father at 9. All the man were watch me, I want me to go to church. A man no one go to church. Dad you back him fist in the house in a piece and come and talk about assassin. That's a sin. And I'm my old.
I don't think you should be telling me that. That's your private. That's your private business. Where's the teacher, anyways? She's taking a long time to come. What do we do? Do we just stand here? I don't even know why I picked this class. I can't draw for shit.
The teacher that Lord God.
Well, I'm glad to see everyone attention now. Hello, everyone. I'm our new teacher, Mrs. Anderson. It's nice to meet you all. I can't wait to get to know and look up better. But please, continue what I'm doing. I would love to see the ending result of an artwork, and I'll be walking around to help you if needed. Nice work, lovely. I love the colors you picked. Nice. Well, what is this? Oh, that is very lovely. And what is your name, young man?
My name Tony. The girl them ride me like a pony.
Well, Mr. Tony, that is very inappropriate. Alright, everyone, I want to have a very lovely day. And I will be looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Oh, miss, me don't want to feel like something else like, wash out the paint brushes, them or clean out the dirty water out of the paint pan. Anything I want, mama, there for you.
Well, Tony, I would appreciate it if you leave my classroom right now. Thank you.
Miss, I'm sorry to bother you, but I was wondering, could I bring my artwork at home and finish it?
Your name's Oliver, right?
Oh, yes, miss. I'm Oliver.
Well, Oliver, I think it's better if you do your artwork in class, so I can help you, if you understand what I'm saying.
Okay. That's fine.
You should be heading off now. Have a nice day, Oliver. I wanted to talk to you about something. I know I haven't been speaking to you, and it's really nothing against you.
No, I haven't. I kind of feel bad about how our conversation last time, and I don't mean anything bad. I really care about you, Shauna. You're like family.
I was wondering how Susie's doing. I know it's kind of a touchy topic about her father.
Well, she got suspended for a week because of what happened in class.
Oh, she'll be fine. She's not a bad student. I'll see you later.
Yeah, that's so funny. Thanks for the homework assignment. Yeah, Tony was just giving me a homework assignment.
Sydney, Merritt knows how to talk. It's quite obvious, Sydney. But don't worry, I won't say anything to Star, alright?
I really like him, but Star's mean, Star.
Yeah, me know. I like to run off our mouth and chat about people. Yes, that's Star. But, I'll keep this between me and you.
Can you believe that art teacher? She looks like a...
Yeah, I don't really business about that. But anyways, I wanted to talk to you about something.
Alright, I'm all ears. What is it, Shauna?
Well, like how you and Tony's a thing. I was wondering if you could help me out.
With what exactly?
I like Oliver. I like how him and Tony are, friends. I was wondering if maybe you could have set up a thing so all of we can hang out. What do you think?
Are you sure? 'Cause I heard that Oliver likes Susie. That's what Star told me. And I think Susie likes him too. That is your cousin.
And you really think I care? He doesn't belong to Susie. They're not dating. And if they were, that wouldn't faze me. I want what I want. You know you have to help me, right? I know your secret. You know mine. I want Oliver. I don't care.
Susie, Susie.
Yeah, idiot. Something nice for your wake up my grandparents soon. Don't worry, we're still forward of you. Hey, Wagwan.
Jesus Christ, Susie, man. Don't do that.
So I saw you deaf. You never your mail up there, You're so funny.
Come on, let's go. We only have a short period of time.
So, what exactly do you want to talk to me about, Oliver? I can bring mail here.
It's about your cousin Shauna. I think you two should get along. I mean, today she was asking about you and she sounded pretty concerned.
Shauna is not concerned about me. Shauna does not care about me. Like, why is that so hard for you to understand? Like, why is that so hard for you to get in your head?
I think she's a little bit misunderstood. Maybe you two should just try to get along. I mean, you guys are family. Susie.